Hello! And guess what? It's November, which means it's officially holiday season. Yes, my friends, that means it is time for us to start shopping for our friends and family. And let me just tell you, I'm a total fan of zero waste gifts, of giving presents and gifts that are experiential. And I also know that not everyone wants a zero waste gift in my life, in my family. And I have a lot of people and a lot of friends that I want to give gifts to. And honestly, as like a squiggly brained person, that can be a little bit stressful, can feel a little bit like this, especially because budgeting is a thing, right? And we want to be conscientious about how we spend and what we buy. And there's a lot to do. By the way, there's like a global supply chain furk up and things are going super slow. So everyone is recommending if you're going to buy stuff, buy it sooner rather than later. And for those of us who like to procrastinate, that is incredibly stress-inducing. So we have a solution. We at Holisticism have made you an epic gift guide. It's inspired by our community, The Cusp, which is a amazing group of wellness hype beasts. And I am so excited to show you this. It's a free template, so you can grab the template at the link below. And let's just jump into it. So we wanted to make this gift guide because we wanted to make it really easy for all of our friends on the internet to shop for their BFFs, their family, their loved ones. And also, let me make myself big again. Honestly, we wanted to hype up the brands and the people that we love, the products that we're obsessed with, the products that we heard about all year inside of The Cusp, which is our private wellness hype beast community where people try out the best products and then tell their recommendations to each other. We wanted to put that, and we also wanted to make it really easy for you to budget this time of year and it doesn't to be. So if you check inside of this Notion document in the top right hand corner, you're gonna see your holiday gift budget. It is cool. I love this so much. As you add different gifts to your cart, which I'll show you how to do in just a second, you'll see that the total automatically gets added. It gets summed up here. And that should make your shopping experience easy, seamless, and keep you on track so you know what you're doing. We also have a couple other options inside of this little gift guide that I'm going to show you in a second where you can input who it's for to make your tracking process a little bit easier. But let's get into the meat of this gift guide because it is so fun. I'm going to make myself a lot smaller. Oh my God, so tiny. And let's get into it. So we organized our gift guide a couple different ways. When you download this, you can get the duplicate or make a duplicate, and you can save this to your own Notion, which means that you're going to be able to edit all of this. We've added 5 gift guides so far. The 5th one is not on here yet, but by the time this video goes live, it will be. It's called Worth Drinking the Kool-Aid For. It's cult favorite products. And then finally, we've got one more guide coming for Green Kitchen Witches. And if you end up downloading this, which is no big deal, you can get all the booster packs, all of the added left-hand corner just by making a duplicate of those pages, them drag and drop them directly into the gift. Super simple. A couple different ways of looking at these gift guides. So when we open up the views on the page, we view as a table by your holiday budget, by the different guide boards, by guide gallery, under $20, under $50, and under, which is just so cool. And this is a really great example of Notion's new situation that they put out into the world. We've done a couple of dates that some people like and like, including what you're seeing now is on dark are a little bit different, but Notion has added this cool subgroup feature. So when I organize my gallery, I actually can organize it now by subgroup. All of the galleries of Spiritual Bebe, one for you, one for me, and Wellness Hype Beasts, which are all of our gift guides so far, and excuse me, how could I forget the Work Wife? Each individual category in the gallery, which is really cool. Notion hasn't asked, so helpful, and I've loved seeing it. And this is a really good example in case you weren't quite sure how to use it for yourself. So let's talk about how we use this gift guide, not just the brass tacks of how Notion works. So let's say that I want to pop into topics. I've got a couple different holiday guides. The first is budget. We'll get to that in just a second. The first is one for you, one for me, by your friend, and then you're like, but I also kind of want this too. So your next one is Spiritual Bebe. So those are for your friends who are brand new to the spiritual scene, who need an intro, a starter pack, and a 101 course, if you will. Then we've got our Wellness Hype Beasts, those of your friends and family who are in that know. And in fact, you can just like send this to your family and be like, this is the stuff that I want. I am into wellness. This is what I desire. And then finally, for your work wife. So for the friend who's been on Skype with you or on Zoom with you for the whole Panda Express. Oh, that's a new one. Panda Express? Pantera. For the whole pandemic, you got to get them a gift, right? So that's what we're working with. And when I go through, I just sort of toggle through these, you can see that I've got a couple of features that are live, but I'm going to pop into these features so you can check them out. I'm just going to which is an example of something that's in one for me. Oh my god, of course Notion is picking today to be slow. Nice. Open this up, I've got properties up here. So we input price on all of these products so you know how much they cost. Some of these products are affiliate links, others are just regular links, just as a heads up. We only link to products that we absolutely love, and when you shop using our links, it gives us a little kickback, and we always appreciate that. Then the quantity, so the number of this product that you want to get. If you want to get 2 for you, if you want 4 because you're getting them stocking, if you want 0, input the total price. So you can see as I edit this, my price is going to change based on the price that I've already put in for you. Image of this bad boy. Very simple. And you've added this add to cart here. So as you're going through these gift guides, click this on or click it off. When you click it, it's going to drag and drop and just make it show up inside a budget. So we can track this and see that my Tower 28 SOS facial spray is inside here. It's $12. I want 3 being $36, and that can bottom line change the quantity. It's going to also change the sum total of all the products that I want. Inside of our guide budget, which is just a linked database, and I'm looking at this database with a different filter. This filter just simply says that I've clicked yes, I've added this to my cart. In fact, I'll show you here, pops up immediately, and what's little for. I love this property because I am really bad at remembering who I bought gifts for and who I didn't buy gifts for. I tend to be one of those people that when I see something for someone, I just buy it, and then I forget that I've got like 30 things for my sister and nothing for my husband. Or my parents. And so in this part of the Notion document, you can input any name you want. We got you started with boss, BFF, sister, me, work wife, but you can add in names of your friends. You can add in superlatives, whatever it is that you want. You are free to add and edit that there. So to make it really simple for you when holiday season finally rolls around, for you to see, okay, who do I need to buy more gifts for and who am I okay with? And finally, let's just check our gift guides by price. I've organized them so that you can start to see which ones under $20 stuffers, which products are maybe under $50, $20. So you get both. And just use the gallery feature here. And then finally, which products are under $100, and those all pop up. So that's the gift guide, and we're going to keep adding to it, and I hope that you enjoy this. It's been really fun for us to put together, and I think it's a really valuable template for you to get started with, especially if you're brand new to Notion. So you can grab it at the link below, and I will see you on the internet. Okay, bye.